welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to sew the collar, okay, the stand-up collar. All right, so all you need is you need your tape, material need. All right, in the previous video I've already shown you how to draft this, okay, this stand-up collar and the collar. Okay, so please do well to go back to that video. I will drop the link of that video in the comment section. All right, so go to the comment section and also in the description. All right, I will drop the link to the video. So all I will make use of a black fabric. This is a fabric, black one. Okay, this is the fabric I'll be using for my collar. All right, so this is the wrong side of my fabric, this is the right side. All right, so all I need is this for this. Okay, now for this to be smooth, you know, this thing is smooth here. For it to be beautiful and come out well, I'll make use of hemstitch. You know, your work should be different from the every other person, or rather your work should be distinct. Okay, so I'll make use of this hemming gum. This is hemming gum. All right, some persons can get theirs without the hemming gum, but I'm making use of the hemming gum, and I'm making use of 3. Okay, making use of 3. There's a reason why I want it to come out neat, beautiful and perfect. Okay, beautiful and perfect. I want it to come out neat. Okay, all right, so so what I'll do is, all right, just take it to iron. As you can see, I'm through ironing it. Okay, all right, as you can see, I'm through with it. Okay, I'm through. Now you can look at it. It's beautiful outside here. Okay, and the surface is okay. And so what we'll do next is we'll give half of an inch allowance, half of an inch. Okay, that's the allowance we are giving there, half of an inch. All right, then here you give 1/4 of an inch, here 1/4 of an inch. All right, so what I'll do is I'll put it here again and then cut exactly the same thing here. So if you are still confused, please do not forget to visit the video again. It will help you clear your confusion. All right, so I'm through. All right, with this, and then the collar itself, this is for the collar, this is for the collar. So like I said, this is the wrong side. I'll place my collar this way and make sure that they are same. Okay, they are the same. All right, this is the down part of the collar. This is the down part of the collar. Make it this now. All right, this is optional. You can just put hemming gum. Before gumming it, just put the hemming gum, place the hemming gum there, and you place your collar. Okay, while I double the hemming gum is just for it to come out beautiful and neat. Okay, so take it, place it on top of the hemming gum, and then you take it to the iron, and you will see how beautiful it will look like. All right, go ahead and trim 1/4 all through, 1/4 all through. All right. right, so the same thing, I'll cut same thing. Okay, then for this, what you do is you fold this, fold the ½ inch you gave, okay, allowance, fold it, and then you iron it. Once I'm through, I'll show you. And so to make the hood, put a firm grip to it, you use your hemming gum. You cut your hemming gum into two this way. Here, all you just need to do is to put the hemming gum inside the folded part of the collar. All right, so you take it to the iron and you press it. Once I'm through, I'll show you. You can see. All right, and so here also you can decide to fold it. Some persons do not. All right, so I don't have problem if you do not fold it. There are different ways of sewing this, okay, but for me, like I said, I want my work to be neat, okay, and come out beautiful. Okay, I want it to be beautiful. And so what I'll do is that I'll also fold this. Okay, I'll fold this round, okay, see this, you fold it with your iron. All right, you can see I'm through ironing it. Okay,